Now, 2 COVID cases of the Omicron variant have been detected in Karnataka in men aged 46 and 66. These cases were detected more than a week ago, were mild, and both the patients have recovered. 5 contacts of the 46-year-old Omicron patient, a doctor from Bengaluru, have turned out to be positive. They are in isolation. The Chief Minister will be holding a meeting today afternoon. Here's a report.
24 घंटे के अंदर हमारे देश में 2 ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट के केस हमारे इस नेटवर्क के द्वारा डिटेक्ट किए गए कर्नाटका में, जिसकी रिपोर्ट कल रात काफी लेट आई थी, जिसको हम आपके सामने रखना चाहेंगे.
India's first 2 cases of the Omicron variant of COVID. Both have recovered and one has even left India. One of them is a 66-year-old patient who came from South Africa. The other, a 46-year-old healthcare worker who has no travel history. Both the patients were fully vaccinated.
Here is what we know about the 2 patients. Both have recovered. And the 66-year-old in the span of a week tested negative before his flight, then positive on arrival, and then 3 days later tests negative. This Omicron case was asymptomatic.
Between the 2 cases, almost 40 primary contacts and over 400 secondary contacts have been tested. And of the second patient, 3 primary and 2 secondary have tested positive for COVID and are in isolation.
कॉन्टैक्ट्स का अभी इसमें भी आपको बताया गया कि हमने कॉन्टैक्ट 3 टाइप के हम लोग ट्रेस कर रहे हैं. नंबर 1 प्राइमरी कॉन्टैक्ट, नंबर 2 सेकेंडरी एंड नंबर 3 टर्शरी. जो रिमोटेस्ट कॉन्टैक्ट भी हैं वो इस पूरे केस के ट्रेस कर लिए गए हैं दोनों के.
वी नीड नॉट पैनिक, बट अवेयरनेस इज एब्सोल्युटली एसेंशियल एंड नॉट गोइंग टू एंड नॉट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मास गैदरिंग्स विल हेल्प ब्रेकिंग द चेन ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ Omicron.
The Delhi Chief Minister called for tighter restrictions while the Maharashtra government announced new rules, making institutional quarantine mandatory for passengers from 3 countries, South Africa, Botswana and Zimbabwe. At India's airports, passengers are understandably anxious and under all sorts of pressures.
I have my flight on December 10th, but had to book another one because of the new virus. I had to book it because I am scared that I would be stuck here, that I would lose my job.
Landed on the 29th of November, 1 day before the new restrictions were imposed. I realized that I was pretty much stuck between a rock and a hard place when I tried to book my ticket back to London in January, and I was shocked to learn that the price of a ticket was 3,70,000.
But of the almost 8,000 passengers who have come in from India's list of at-risk nations, only 10 or so have tested COVID positive so far. That's just 0.13%.
The entry of Omicron in India poses yet another challenge in the fight against COVID-19. And while the highly mutated variant of COVID-19 is causing a scare across the world, our best bet against COVID-19 still remains vaccination and COVID-appropriate behavior. With camera person Xavier Thomas and Nihal Kedwai in Bangalore, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.